Hey, what's up guys? It's Jay Turner from American Rental Garage out here at a Jeep vs. Bronco show. So we decided to put Jenna's Jeep Betsy in. I'll turn the camera around in a minute. There are a lot of cool Jeeps out here. So if you're in Warner Robins area, come check it out. A lot of good vendors. There's a lot of cool Broncos, a lot of stuff to look at. So I'm gonna spin the camera around so you guys can see what's up on the other side. Alright everybody, we just got back not too long ago from the Jeeps vs. Broncos Jeep show. It was a lot of fun. I met a lot of people. The Jeep actually placed in the top 15, which I was kind of surprised because there was a lot of Jeeps. There ended up being just more Jeeps coming in, way more Jeeps than Broncos. But it was a lot of fun, met a lot of good people, saw a lot of cool Jeeps, a lot of nice Broncos, met a lot of good people that we're probably going to go four-wheeling with in the future. But yeah, it was a lot of fun. If you happen to be in the Warner Robins area and you're a Jeepin', check out the Warner Robins Jeep Club. Also, if you're scrolling around, look for Vintage Ting Customs. Go check out Mark's page and get yourself some swag. Until next time, have a good one. And if you like the content that you've seen on my page, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, or hit the don't like button, but hit something. Take it easy. Until next time.